Well, look what came today. I got my succulent forms. 40, 30, 20, and 10. This would be the base, I guess. Then if you're going to use a slight angle up. And then if you go with the flat one for the candle base, this would be the first layer. And then number 2, or you can go right to 3, and then a 4. You'll mix and match. I think I'm going to do the base, and then a 2 and a 4, 20 and a 40. I think that'll work. We'll see. I'll make the pattern to fit all of these. You know, I'm excited. They're really nice quality. I mean, you know, and these succulent forms are just really designed to, you know, put your glass down. And I got a piece of glass here. You know, well, naturally this wouldn't be, and when they're in there, all you do is you tack one small tack of solder and take it out so you don't burn the form. Or I don't know if it would burn, but you just want to do a simple tack. Remove it and lay the piece down, you know, angle it down, whatever you got to do. You could prop it up or what have you, and then run your beads. And you should get a lot of use out of them. They weren't terribly expensive, and around $30, $32. I forget, $30 something. But yeah, 4 layers. I'm excited. I'm ready to go. I'm going to get the pattern made today. I already have the schematics. I just need to figure out the angle, you know, to bring them in. And we'll get going. Look forward to my pattern. I'll have that available. And I came up with a new style with a curved petal. It's a little different than your traditional succulent designs. And I think it'll work out really well. You know, stay tuned for updates.